Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use DSC on Nano Server. So, as I said, in this video I will show you how to use DSC on Nano Server. What is DSC? DSC means desired state configuration, and as you can see here we have the official article on the Microsoft site about using DSC on Nano Server. So I think this is pretty useful and I will show you that in this video. So it applies to PowerShell 5.0 and later, I think. So DSC on Nano Server is an optional package to Nano Server.packages, I mean not that but \packages folder of the Windows Server 2016 media. The package can be installed when you create a VHD for Nano Server by specifying Microsoft Nano Server DSC package as the default of the packages parameter of the new Nano Server image function. For example, if you are creating a VHD for a virtual machine, the command would look like following. So here you have Nano Server image, I mean new Nano Server image. You have to specify edition, deployment type, media path, base path, target path, computer name, and packages, which is this DSC package. So you can go to the site and copy this comment if you want to do it. For information about installing and using Nano Server, as well as how to manage Nano Server with PowerShell remoting, you can see this getting started with Nano Server. As you can see, this is out of the day, I think, because on the October 9th of October 2018, a lot of change in terms of Nano Server, but maybe even though it changed, I will record some videos about deploying this Nano Server, about these things, about managing Nano Server. So I think maybe I will do it, even though it applies only to Windows Server 2016 and it's changed in the later versions. So in the Windows Server 2025, for example, it will not work. So we will go back for now. We have the DSC features available on Nano Server, and we have the information because Nano Server supports only a limited set of APIs compared to full versions of Windows Server. DSC on Nano Server does not have full functional parity with DSC running on full SKUs for the time being. DSC on Nano Server is in active development and is not yet feature complete. The following DSC features are currently available in Nano Server. So both push and pull modules we have for these things. So maybe I'm not going to read them all. I will scroll through them. You can even click on them, as you can see here, if you are interested, and you can see something about them. So for example, if you want to know what is get DSC configuration, you can click on that. You can go to the site and you have the syntax, you have the examples, so everything is working fine. This is how you can do it. You have start, stop, get, test, publish, update, restore, remove, get, some invoke, find, and some other things. So this is what you can do. As you can see, maybe you have resources that are fully functional. So you have the archive, environment, file, log, process set, registry script, Windows package cap, Windows process, wait for all, wait for anywhere for some, and we have resources that are partially functional, which is group set. We have the issue above resources fail if specific install is called twice, running in the same configuration twice. We have service set. In terms of service set, we have only works for starting, stopping status service, fails if one tries to change other service attribute like startup type, credential, description, etc. This error thrown is similar to cannot find type and so on. So this is the error that you will get. Cannot find type, verified that the assembly containing this type is loaded. In terms of resources that are not functional, we have user. Now, DSC features not available for Nano Server yet. The following DSC features are not currently available on Nano Server, which is decrypting MOF document with encrypted passwords. Pull server, you cannot currently set up a pull server on Nano Server. Anything that is not in the list of the feature works. In terms of using custom DSC resources on Nano Server, due to limited set of Windows APIs and CLR libraries available on Nano Server DSC resources that work on the full CLR version of Windows do not necessarily work on Nano Server. Complete end-to-end testing before deploying any DSC custom resources to production environment. So this is how DSC on Nano Server works. That's all from this article. As I said, I will record some more videos, even though it applies only to Windows Server 2016. I will record some videos about deploying, managing and developing Nano Server. So if you are interested, you can go watch previous videos and later videos that I will record in the future. If you found the video helpful, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.